Hey, I'm Dave Coach. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about something I learned in feature films. And the concept is called cheating. And what you do is you cheat. It's kind of obvious, but where it comes into play for us is you cheat where the furniture is to make a shot that's more to your liking. So let's take a look at where my problem shot is. Before I get into that, I'll just show you this. This is the shot that I'm currently setting up, and I'm essentially cheating these out of the way so that I can get the shot that comes toward me. And that's where I got the idea of showing you guys what cheating is. Where I think it really will make sense is right here. I think it's kind of obvious from this setup that you want a shot from there, but you don't exactly have enough room to get back in there and make this all look good. So what we do is we cheat this bad boy out a little bit to give us the room. You know, if you think about it, it's kind of just an obvious concept. You move the furniture and make it look like it's supposed to look. But sometimes the obvious things are the hardest to see. So here's what we do. We move that out, and then we move our camera into there. And now we've got plenty of room. And now let's set up the shot. Well, there we are. There's the shot. Obviously, you know, like I said, I am setting up that shot over there right now, so I'm not going to bother with dressing that. The point here is just to show you the concept. But see, by stepping back in here, it's kind of hard to see, but we've still got that chair in there right over here, even though it's way further out than it should be. And we've still got the couch in over here. But by cheating it a little bit, we're getting the shot more of what we want. Sorry, these things, actually, there's a way to make those disappear, isn't there? Is it that? I don't know. You know what? I look through them, so I don't really care. But anyway, that's the concept. And this is the final image, the way it looks. And let's just go back to what the actual location looked like and what it looked like when I came in. This was a little bit closer like that. And that's actually kind of a little too close, I think, too. Anyway, I think from here, I also cheated it more this way to give me more room like that. And I think that's about the shot that I shot from here. So you can cheat in a number of different ways. Well, there we go. That about wraps this up. I'm up in Park City right now shooting an Airbnb and just having a good old time. So I hope you learned something here. If you do, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube kind of stuff. Anyway, I am having a blast. I hope you are too. May your next shoot be your best shoot.